Everybody, 10th class physics, chapter 6, structure of atom. Now, we have seen the experiments, small experiments in this lesson. Now, we are going to learn the lesson. Now, let us start the part 1. In the part 1, we are going to know spectrum and wave nature of light. Mostly we are going to know about the wave nature of light. Spectrum and wave nature of light. To understand about the structure of atom and subatomic particles, we need to understand the nature of light, colored light and their characteristics. Means before knowing the structure of atom, we have to know about the light and the characteristics of colored light. But what is the use of this? We'll learn it later. We know that there are 7 colors in the rainbow and they are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. That's why we call it as VIBGYOR. Now, wave nature of light. A vibrating electric charge creates a change in electric field which creates a changing magnetic field. Means due to vibrating electric charge, an electric field is created and it causes the magnetic field. Means in the electric wave disturbance, we have electric field and magnetic field. These both fields are perpendicular and both are perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. Means the electric field is perpendicular to the magnetic field and these two means electric field and magnetic field both are perpendicular to the direction of the propagation of the wave. Magnetic field is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave. Electric field is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave and electric field and magnetic field also perpendicular to one another. We have to understand about the wavelength and frequency also. For example, the above picture shows the corner of a room. The corner line is shown with the W, which is the indication of the direction of propagation of wave, and breadth is shown with the M. It is the direction of magnetic field, and E is the length direction, which indicates the electric field direction. You can simply understand that breadth and length are perpendicular. These both are perpendicular to the corner line. In the same way, you can observe in the second picture, direction of wave is perpendicular to the electric field direction and magnetic field direction. But this cannot be shown on a paper. This cannot be shown on a paper because it is 3D matter. Means we have to understand it with the 3D idea, 3-dimensional idea. But paper is a 2-dimensional one. Means paper has length and breadth. Means only 2 directions. That's why we have to see it with a video. That's why the video clip also attached to this session to observe the wave nature of light. Means to know, to understand about the electromagnetic wave, and to understand the electric field direction, magnetic field direction, and direction of propagation of wave, we have to follow the next video. Thank you. This is the corner of a room. I kept here a wooden stick at the corner, and a fan rod along the breadth, and an iron rod along the length. Now you can observe that this wooden stick is perpendicular to the iron rod, and this wooden stick is perpendicular to iron rod also. This fan rod and wooden stick both are perpendicular to one another, and wooden stick and iron rod also perpendicular to one another, and these two, the fan rod and this iron rod, also perpendicular to each other. Means these three, the corner and the breadth, length, are perpendicular to one another. In the electromagnetic wave, the electric field and magnetic field, if you consider this fan rod is in the direction of electric field, and iron rod is in the direction of magnetic field, then you can observe that these two are perpendicular to one another. And each means electric field and magnetic field, means fan rod and iron rod directions also perpendicular to the corner, means to the wooden stick, means these three are perpendicular to one another. In the same way, the direction of propagation of electromagnetic wave is perpendicular to the electric field direction and magnetic field direction in the electromagnetic wave.